Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Find recipe ideas and cookery tips for working with plain flour. In fact, you can achieve the same light texture and raised shape usually associated with cakes made with self-raising flour by using plain flour and an alternative raising method, like baking powder or whisked eggs.
Take our lead.
Method: add 2 spees of baking powder to each 150 grams, 6 ounces of plain flour. Sift the flour and baking powder together before you use it to make sure it's all evenly distributed. If you are using cocoa powder, buttermilk or yogurt, you can add 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, as well as the baking powder.
Take our lead.
Self-raising flour is plain flour with baking powder added to it. If you're short of self-raising flour for a recipe, you can make your own. Just add half a teaspoon of baking powder per 100 grams of plain flour. 2 May 2012.
Take our lead.
Partly as keeping just one type of flour saves on storage space, and partly as if you don't use self-raising flour regularly, then it will lose its raising power over time. It is fairly easy to make your own self-raising flour. Just add 2 teaspoons of baking powder for each 150 grams, 6 ounces, 1 cup plain flour. 5 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.